Hi, I'm Joe Mager with the Motley Fool, and today is Take Your Parents to Work Day here at Fool HQ. It's been a lot of fun, and my mom and dad are here celebrating this lovely day. And one of the questions I've been asked from some of the parents are, what are some tips you've got for older folks, parents specifically, on investing? Well, I've got three. The first one is stay in stocks. So I know the stock market can be bouncy, and I know that a lot of people are heading into retirement. A lot of you watching are retirees, but you still need to be in stocks. And that's because the stock market has dramatically outperformed the bond market over a long time horizon. You've got a lot of years ahead of you, and you're not going to meet your savings goals and be able to live off your income if you're just relying on a 1% money market account. So the second thing is know your limits. Just because you're in stocks doesn't mean that you need to go crazy with it, right? You should be diversified, maybe use an S&P 500 index fund if you're just comfortable with that and not comfortable owning individual stocks. That's totally fine. Stick within your risk limits, but you do still want to be in stocks. And the third thing is put your own finances first. So I say this as a kid, and I appreciate everything my mom and dad did for me. But remember that you are a lot closer to retirement than your kids are, and you need to make sure that your own financial house is in order before you do too much helping your kids. That sounds terrible, I know. But remember, when they're looking to go to college, when they might need a handout because the job market's tough and they're 25 and they're having trouble finding a job. I know this sounds terrible, but remember, you need to be taking care of yourself first because your kids have decades more time to get things sorted out. Trust me, they'll thank you later. You gave them a good life lesson in doing so, and that way, they ultimately won't have to pay for your own retirement later. So, those are my three tips. Thanks for listening. I love my mom and dad.